Wherever we go, it's not required to buy 20 rupees per liter Aquafina or Kinley water. I don't recommend that one, or nobody would recommend. Try to keep a kind of sack of, when I say a kind of sack, a kind of plastic bag that you can have with you, or you can have some jute bag or cloth bag. Consider that whenever you get a plastic bag, it should be more than 50 microns thick, which can be reused. Otherwise, say no to this one. These are a couple of steps that you can follow. Start using LED lights as much as you can do. That I think we as Indians have started a lot on that one. So that's a good thing. And I'm sure now I see a trend, a change that is coming basically from the children below 5 years. And it reaches to 10 to 12 years where they have taken these drives and things very seriously, very seriously. I'll take one example. Whenever I drive car, there was a time a year back, my wife used to not have a seat belt, even being sitting on the left hand side. Now my kids force her to have the seat belt. She cannot sit on the car before getting the seat belt. So this is the kind of attitude, or you can say soch, we have to bring in ourselves, that okay, we have to do something for ourselves, for our safety, for our security, and to make and remain beautiful as we are in India. Now, I was talking about the entrepreneurship or to get a job. I will tell you quite interesting story. Maybe most of you might be aware about Uber. Uber is a success story and started very badly. So these were the two guys in 2007. So there were two guys called Travis Kalanick and Garrett Camp. Totally opposite. One was the entrepreneur. Travis was the entrepreneur from US. Garrett was an entrepreneur from Canada, two different countries. They were having their own companies, which was running very well at one point of time. You can say in the era of 1998, 2000 or so. RedSource was sent to Akamai. Akamai is one of the very big company that you can look for. Akamai is a kind of provider that provides you the capability of replication. So let's say you have one server which is sitting in India and you have 20 countries accessing those servers. Akamai's job is to replicate this data across the globe so that everybody can access without any network delays within it. So this startup started running very badly, and then ultimately Travis has to sell this to Akamai in 19 millions. Same happened to Garrett Camp, who has a site called StumbleUpon. Now you will not find StumbleUpon, but you can find Mix. If you go to StumbleUpon, it was a kind of platform that was used to send advertisements to different websites. So if you want to advertise, like Google Ads, you can send the advertisements to others. That was also sold to eBay, and eBay acquired it. Now it is called Mix, and Mix now is used like Facebook, you can say. You can try Googling it, Mix. Mix is a place which is a smart engine that provides you the feeds and things that your friends and relatives or anybody in your network is doing on any of the platforms. Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google. It can analyze anything and show you that what your friends are doing on right now. So when these two people sold their startup, they were not having anything. So there was, in Paris, there's a seminar that happens every year. It's called Le Web. In this Le Web seminar, we plan for the next 10 years of the industry. What is going to happen in the IT industry in next 10 years. So these two guys, they were not known to each other. They also went to attend this seminar in Paris. The seminar was concluded, everything done, and they were just coming out of the seminar hall, which was in Pavilion, and they were waiting for the taxi. The two guys, don't knowing each other, they were just waiting, and because they were waiting for the taxi, it's called limo in Paris. So they were waiting for limo, and it took around 30 minutes. And of course, if you have 30 minutes and if you have somebody standing nearby you, you'll start talking. So they started talking. तो बोलते हैं कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए कि हमारे फ़ोन से ही, दैट टाइम इट वॉज स्मार्टफोन वॉज ऑलरेडी इन द मार्केट, कि हम फ़ोन पे टैप करके ये टैक्सी बुला लें तो कितना अच्छा होगा। 15 मिनट डिस्कशन हुआ, 15 मिनट के बाद दोनों की टैक्सी आई, एक इधर गया एक उधर गया, चले गया, कोई बात नहीं हुई आगे। फिर ट्रेविस कैलेनिक वॉज स्टिल द CEO ऑफ रेड स्वॉप। वो रेड स्वॉप का CEO तब भी था, कंपनी सेल हो चुकी थी, बट उसको CEO बना करके रखा गया था। ही हैड दिस इन बैक ऑफ माइंड कि मुझे ये कैब वाला कुछ तो करना है। बैठे बैठे अचानक उसने एक दिन ubercab.com साइट रजिस्टर की, एक ड्राफ्ट बनाया, प्रपोजल बनाया, प्लान किया, एक टैक्सी लेकर के उसको एक ट्रायल रन अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ किया। आज उबर की टोटल वैल्यूएशन जो है वो 62 बिलियन है, $62 बिलियन, out of which they are holding 39 billion of assets. They have 23 to 24,000 employees right now, apart from the drivers. They did a test launch with 3 cars in New York in early 2010. Within 5-6 months, they started the real launch, which we call the real launch, was done in San Francisco in 2010. The life was not so easy for them as well. Municipal Corporation of San Francisco put a case against them that you cannot utilize the word cab in your site because cab is something social which anybody can use. They lost the case, and after losing the case, they removed the cab from Uber and it became only Uber. That's how you have Uber.com right now. They made a lot of losses in many years. Even if you go right now on the company website, it will say it is making loss of around 2.9 billion a year, which is not the reality. These are financial terms which you can avoid. In 2016, they sold a global loss of 3.8 billion. But still they are running, they are working. The losses are coming because of the depreciating asset that we count in finances, so we can avoid that one. The objective to explain you this story was that this much big startup can be discussed and started with a simple talk anytime, anywhere. You have to just open your mind, just keep on thinking, where is the requirement? If you get the requirement perfectly, you can find a solution as well. And I forgot to tell that later on in 2011, he invited Garrett Camp to join as well in Uber, and now he is the COO of Uber. So they both are working together. And apart from this, they are having a lot of other ventures as well, Uber Eats, and there were 10 more that they are doing. Does this make any sense to listen to this Uber story, or it was just like that? No? Okay. So, maybe these two guys were able to think about the entrepreneurship. It was because US is the biggest country that provides maximum number of entrepreneurs. And it is not into their genes, it is the infrastructure, it is the capabilities that is provided to the residents of USA. You get a lot of funding, support and everything from US if you are doing as an entrepreneur. It was not the case in India. Either you are a businessman, आपका खुद की दुकान है, business है, तो है. Otherwise, if you want to do something new, nobody is going to invest money in you. Now the trend is changing. Since last 4 or 5 years, entrepreneurship is going very rapidly into India, and people are there to support you, to get you money if you have a real plan to do for. You should not be surprised to know that India is the youngest country in the world right now. We have the maximum number of young people in India compared to any city in the world or any country. And every country is looking to utilize these manpowers that we have because they don't have. We just have to make a right start. We have to think about ourselves. There are a lot of job opportunities. There are a lot of entrepreneurship available that we can do for. And believe me, the kind of requirements and jobs we have, we don't have resources. 100% placement can be achieved. Instead of saying it, it can be achieved if students really interested to do it, to go for it.